Mamacita, mamacita, señorita. Oh my god, I can't believe this is happening.
I never been a real nigga, cry myself to sleep. Tears running down my cheeks when I'm trying to sleep. Face down on the pill, I'm drowning in my sorrows, yeah. I ball alone. Yeah. I ball.
Hi guys, welcome. Your girl Genevieve. And welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, welcome. I don't mean to brag, guys, but a baddie hair, like what? Baddie edges, okay. Alright guys, so basically today we're gonna talk about my skin. How do you get the skin to work with you? You know, many times I get a lot of people, asking me, how did your skin become so clear? And honestly, it's because I've done this other thing that not many people know about, surprisingly. And I feel like a lot of us can benefit from it. And we should share this because hey, I'm not the only person who needs to get the skin care routine. So in this video, we are gonna learn how to get a clear skin, okay? And we're also gonna learn how I cleanse my face or my skincare routine. So stay tuned. But before I go any further, don't forget to subscribe, like, drop that comment, baby girl or baby boy. This works both ways for males and women. So if anybody wants to get their skin out there looking shebang, this is for you. Firstly, all you have to know is that yes, I did do my eyebrows and I put concealer on my eyelids so that they can look woke, because I was kind of dead. But anyway, I'm woke now. Get right into it. Makeup free so that you guys can get the full thing or whatever it's called. Yeah. Firstly, story time. Way back in the back, I'm talking high school, back in the day when I was still growing up and I was getting older, lady, I started getting acne everywhere. My skin was exploding on my face. But it wasn't that bad though. I feel like it was better. It wasn't I can't look at your face. But I started getting acne cause of, growing up and stuff. I realized that, you know what? I don't like it. Cause when I started growing up, it started increasing with time and it became worse. And guys, and by worse I mean worse. From there, I just started going on a little retreat with my self-care routine. So I tried basically similar where people were like, Drisa, say my sister. I'm like, honey, boo-boo, I'm doing everything and it's not working. I was like, you know what? I'm tired of this mess. After that, I realized, gee, I actually have a family doctor. And by family doctor, I mean my aunt. But she's the one who came to me, but then doesn't really count if I put it that way. So yeah, you could just say that it was my aunt who saw my face and she was like, boo-boo cakes, should I help you? Should we discuss this? So that's when I realized that, okay, you know what? My skin is breaking out, because there was a point where my skin you guys can see the little reddish marks and stuff. Yo, I needed more professional peeps. Guys, it was really bad. Help me. I established a wonderful thing from my doctor, family doctor, my aunt, who is actually a doctor. So that's when I got these 2 ingredients. They're pills and there's a cream. Get to this. It was like a treatment where I took this for 3 flipping months. You know, people who tell you that you're gonna get your skin back after 2 minutes. Like, honey, how long did it take for my skin to grow all these pimples? So that's when I knew that definitely this is gonna take forever. Had to like process my mind. Honey, it was so emotional. It was so touching. Like, do I really have to do this? I mean, I don't even want to be here. But I really wanted to get the result and like have a smooth skin. Like today, honey, I'm shining and I'm happy. Like, okay, let's do this. Okay. The first one, Accutane or Accutane. The pills that basically I took for a while and I'm done with them, so I can't show you a box or anything like that. Since they worked for me, yeah, I'm gonna share it with you guys. It was 20 grams at the beginning every single day. Then I started to increase the dosage, I think, to 40 grams per day. The second month, the first month it was just 20, and the second month it was 40 grams per day. So I took like a pill every day, like 30 days in a month, 3 months, 90 days, honey. And then there was the cream, the Retin A cream. A, guys, it's Retin A. It's a cream for the teens, you know, for the teens, so that they can just swipe out. I basically took those pills every day alongside the cream, and the cream was helping me because I would put the cream on the pimples, like just that on the pimples, yeah, and they were helping each other kind of fight everything, you know, and they speeded it up a little, I think. Those are my 2 secrets, really, but I should let you know everything has its own side effect. Okay, whoa, what are you telling me, Rerang? Like, oh my god, do I have to like do this? Okay, let me just give you a little few pointers so that you guys know what side effects to expect. I will also let you know on what to do next about that. You should make sure that you're prepared mentally and physically. The fact that you are going to get dried lips, because I be lying, that's what I got. So I had dry lips, but apparently this one is just for everybody in general. My lips were cracking, literally cracking. I didn't kiss no one's child. I'm like ointment, Vaseline all the time, and I had to get a special lip balm just for that. So I couldn't really like, you know, enjoy myself, because like every second I was just applying, and sometimes I was like tired, like I couldn't even apply lipstick. And you know mama loves lipstick. My lips were starting to crack. And then another thing, get ready for things to get worse. Dun dun dun. It had to get worse before it got better. To get bad for me to get. What I'm basically trying to say is that my acne was popping out. Like it was literally like, feel me now, like I'm here now, like face my wrath, I'm gonna get you. And I was just all like, don't do it, don't do it. And it's very tempting, like you actually want to pop your pimples even more, because they're just there, they're always out there, and you're doing, get back. Your pimples are literally gonna like get out, like they're just gonna sprout. That pain and suffering of looking nasty but look at my face now. Oh, look at my face now. Skincare routine. Guys, I don't really have a skincare routine. I got to a point where I was not supposed to scrub my face because of that therapy that I was going through. I was not allowed to like scrub like my face. I was supposed to only wash it with soap and go about my day. You guys can literally like go through with it, and you don't actually need to change your routine. Like if you were using Garnier, if you're using, I don't know what else you guys be using. If you guys were using anything else, you continue with the norm. Nothing changes. Say I haven't changed my routine as well from what I was doing. I was still continuing with the soap I was using and everything, and I'm still here. This one is a personal fave because I tried it out before the treatment, and it kind of helped me in terms of my skin. It actually did kind of help me. So I think I should let you guys know what I was using on my face. The kind of, so I use this powerful soap right here. What the heck is that? What the heck is that? Black soap, guys. Pure original African black soap. What this does is cleanses everything, and I mean everything. I was using black soap, all the other things I was using, plain disrespect, period. Not that I'm saying I'm promoting black soap, but to save my skin though, cause like before I used any other thing, I could see that things were trying to help, you know, scrubs and all. But I noticed that black soap kind of did what Accutane did, where it kind of sucks the pimple out. Just, but the soap, it's really great because it flushed out some dark spots. I had like dark spots, and that was because I was always popping my pimples and stuff like that. So my skin was like, I don't like it. And from there, with the black soap, I became better to get rid of dark marks. What the Accutane did, but very, very minimalistic. It wasn't harsh, you know. And I can see that the Accutane is really harsh on the skin, because it really that thing takes out pimples like no one's business. Like 1 month in there, I was looking at myself like, is this me? Oh my god, this cannot be me. Oh my god. Like people were actually asking me, are you doing something to your skin? Because I can see you had pimples, but they're flushing off. What do you think? Like, I'm trying something new. Comment, subscribe if you like me, because I will keep just comment, just like, just do something, guys. I really care. For some love. Wash my face in the morning when I take a bath, twice in a day. Every time I bath, most def, I'ma put it on. I just wash my face with black soap, and that's it. This thing really slaps. It slaps. Nothing. I really be doing nothing really. I only do facials for looking cute. That's it. Cause what do I need them for? Nothing. Period. I also use this baby. Why is it shining so bright? Oh my god. Cream, so that you see it nicely. It's in this pole light. Yes, I use it to apply on my face every single time I walk out of the shower. Literally, I just squeeze a little, like lockdown this much, and apply it on my face. I use this baby for like priming for my makeup. Yeah. Oh my god, I don't want to apply anything else, guys. I don't put anything else on my face. Like Vaseline is too oily. If I put other things, it's just not right. So yeah, it's perfect for my skin because it's not too oily, it's not too creamy, it's just moderate, perfect for my skin. Guys, that was it for this video, for this segment. Hope you guys liked it, and I hope that I can help a lot of people out there with this, because not a lot of people are informed about this, but I feel you should go out there, get it, get your smooth skin that you so deserve, honey. Get it. Oh yeah, and one more tip I gotta give y'all, like when you're starting this cream, make sure that you talk to a doctor or consult with a doctor professionally. Don't go on your back door, please. Don't. And also, this thing is on medical aid, so if you have medical aid, you are securing the bag. Go and actually take it on medical aid. You're gonna need a prescription, and prescription means talking to a doctor. So please be safe, and just to be, sure that this medication is going to be okay for you, just make sure that you talk to the right people who can help you have the skin. All I have to say is thank you so much for actually taking time to listen to me speak. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to RENEVIEVE. I really appreciate it, guys. I really appreciate the love, the support, everything. I really do. Thank you guys so much. My next video. Ciao, Bella. Oh my gosh, where's the audacity? Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to drop a like. Okay. And guys, don't forget, follow me on Instagram. Let's have a conversation about this. And also just give me suggestions on what you guys want me to shoot, and maybe we can shoot together. I don't know. You let me know and I'll tell you. Yes.